That's what I'm saying. Exactly. Thank you. Yes, it's my birthday. Thank you. Hey, Delta. You guys want the tea? It's my birthday. Oh, what was that? A birthday cake? I love a birthday cake. Thank you. Hi, I'm gonna start in 1 second. I just have to get a shoe on, cause, hold on, I have a call. It's an in call. I got sent a beautiful birthday present by Huda Beauty. I just did their survey on my colors, and they sent me a whole box of stuff. Oh, they sent me these. Gorgeous. Rosas. Beautiful. Oh my God, I've been misfaming this whole time. I'm misfame. If you don't know what that means, it's when you keep a hair clip in after you started whatever you were doing, because Miss Fame at this club called Splash in Florida, she had her little Marcel clips for her alligator clips and for her Marcel do. And she didn't take the pins out of the back because she'd been traveling with it because the gigs. She was on the road. And it was, I think it was Splash. But why was I talking about that? Oh my God, what are these hearts? Thank you. Here's some of the Huda stuff. Maybe some of you bricks can use it. How'd they get all that in there? I'm not 28, I'm 43. Oh my God. Oh shit. Well, that was my unboxing. Oh, it's a big bag. Oh, it's a cute bag. It says Huda Beauty. And it's got a magnet thing. Ooh, and a strap. Come on, good bag. You can put a wig in here. Not this one, I'm wearing it. Yeah, but Miss Fame, she had a hair clip in and it was there the whole performance in the back. So now whenever a girl leaves that, it's, oh, you Miss Famin', bitch. Oh, so let me show you the stuff she sent. That's all over the floor now. Yes, Texas. Bitch, can I say bitch on here? I know there's a lot of rules. This ain't Texas. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a mirror, I probably broke it. This ain't Texas. Yes, hearts, sending hearts. Hearts, please. Hearts gather round. Oh, look, Miss Delta. Yes, girl. Hey, girl, how you doing? That's my friend Delta Word. She's so cool. She has a podcast called Very Delta. It's one of my favorite things to do. I was listening to it before I was on this TikTok live, and she's so cool. I almost said so blank word cool, but I can't curse on here, and I know that. I'm trying to be a good little girl. I love the rules. Right, Delta? Yeah. Rule followers, us. Oh, pick me. Oh, pick me.
Pick me. Pick me. Look. Pick me. Look. Pick me. Look. Pick me.
And this ain't Texas. We got Easy Bake Setting Spray. Oh, I only have one earring in. I forgot. And then, what is that? Join my fan club. That red thing on my head. I don't know what that is. Join my fan club. This is setting spray. It says shake well. Shaking. Twist it. Pop it. Oh, yeah. Okay. What's this? Okay. Oh, a fan. Yes. You all know the dolls. Sometimes the dolls get hot. Oh, what's that? A whale. What is that whale? Stars? I love stars. And earrings? Oh my God. What is that? And a crown. Yes, it's very Basquiat. I love that. Oh, that's so cool. I gotta put in this other earring. I do have a clack fan. That's so funny. Who just asked about a clack fan? Look. I'm not a fan. This ain't Texas. This ain't Texas. I have this clack fan. It says not a fan. I'm in Le Bouton. And then I also have this ain't Texas. This ain't Texas. I'm trying to get this earring in this hole, honey. And let me tell you, this is why I don't top. Ooh, flowers. Get on the ear. Ooh, a tiara, baby. You can't tell me I'm not Grace Kelly. She was just a girl from Philly too, with a dream. Oh, I did it. Yes, laurels. Okay, Huda, that's why we're here. This says beauty is self-made. Doctors make it too, that's a lie. Oh wait, no, she's a self-made lady. So that's what that's in reference to, I bet. I love that, never mind. Easy Bake keeps makeup in its place. This is in the color Blondie. Easy Blur Primer. Okay, it's like a gel. Ooh, yes, jewels, honey. This is Natural Airbrush Foundation, Huda Beauty. In custard, honey. She said, oh, I love that dress. Is that custom? No, it's custard. I haven't been on TikTok. Oh, yes, glasses and earrings. That's my favorite one. That and the whales and the stars and the moons. This is a foundation that's gorge. A makeup artist used this on me and I remember thinking, oh, wow. Ooh, this is a lip something kit. Oh, yeah. It's a liquid lip product in a felt tip pencil applicator so you could do a real easy lip line and get precise. I love that, Huda. Thanks. I'm gonna put it in my new, ooh, yes, stars and earrings. I look like the only groupie when you put that on me. I love that. I like that heart thing too, though. The color I'm wearing right now is this one. It's by Sugar Pill. It's called Crystal Trinket, which is also a good drag name. Crystal Trinket. Yes, this is. I am opening this. This is a faux filler jelly oil. You're all from Huda. Oh, huh. It's nice. I like it. It's light. So this color is this. Ooh, pretty. Good little lip liner. You like this dainty little earring? It's from Area. They're sickening. Ooh, what is this? Blush filter. Ooh, that's pretty. Like a liquid blush. I don't mind that at all. Ooh, what they sent me? Oh, Huda Beauty hair clips. Did I finish the story about Miss Fame? Oh, this is so hard. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. You like that, didn't you? Beauty! Ooh, that bow? I didn't know you could get a bow. Okay, this is a new color. It's not an orange, it's a light cantaloupe. Lychee. Bitch, I knew it was a fruit. I love that tiara. Give me that back. Oh, hey, Delta. Hey, girl. It's very Delta. Oh, a hat. I love that. Put the hat on Delta. She's cute. Give my friend a hat. No face detected. Bitch, that is face. That's face card. No face detected. She's clearly giving face. Ugh. Some people. See, there's no human oversight, TikTok. Ooh, glasses. Pretty. Got it. This is the lip liner. Goes with that. That's really pretty together, actually. Love it. Thanks, Huda. This ain't Texas. Ooh, this is called the Huda Beauty Lip Contour Stain. Ooh, what was that? Oh, there was flowers. There was something before that and I missed it. That's pretty too. I like that color. Oh, hey, Delta. Hey, girl. Oh, what's that? Is that a teacup? Is a Lego lady? Oh, she put her hat on me. Don't mess up my hair, girl. There's a chicken on my head. Bacaw! Yes, wings. Wings are made to fly. Where'd the wings go? I was just trying to do some little mix. You have this. It's called Blondie. Oh. I think I put lip gloss on mine. Oh, this ain't Texas. Oh, a puppy. That's so cute. Hey, Delta. I'm doing Delta's meet and greet. I'm security for it. This is this. Ooh. So that's pretty. It's called Watermelon Pop Blush. Oh, this is a blush too. You would do that with it and pat it in. It's like a cream blush. It's pretty. I like that. Oof, I just dropped some of this makeup. Delta! Delta! Come help me. Delta! Like Kylie in the Aphrodite tour. You need to know your references, kids. That's from like 99 or 2001, and some of you weren't even born yet. So just after this, or like do like, hey Siri, look up Kylie Aphrodite tour. This is definitely a dark contour. It's called Faux Filter Concealer. It's like white. Like if I was doing like a mouse, like outline, that's real blanc. This is the Easy Bake. Another color. You can curse on here? Oh, thank you for the crown. Ooh, this one's pink. Yes. I lost a nail. Oh my God. Don't report me. Willam, you don't need those filters. What filter? I love those lips. Ooh, it's bubblegum. It's called Ube Birthday Cake. It just brightened up that foundation and made it like pinker. Hey, Delta. Hey, girl. Don't bother her. She's on her break. Don't. Stop. No, it's fine. No. Who? Girl. Hi, Delta. Do you like these shoes? I just got them. They look like a Stegosaurus. Hello? Not at this time. No thank you. No comment. This is a bunch of stuff from Patrick Starr. So first we got a lash curler. Damn. All red. I love that. It's got the extra boop bop boom bam. Nobody knows what that's called. What's that called? Okay, this is a white stage powder. Ooh. It's a versatile foundation powder. Feels nice. It's not like gritty like some powders. It feels very fine. Fondant. Fondant en poudre. Hey, Delta. You can't be in the dressing room. She's fine. I know she's not in the show. She's fine. I'm gonna give you a boot. You like that boot? Hey, Delta. Ooh, nouveau bouton. Oh, shit. Oh, sorry, I fell. Don't make me get security. Excuse me. We need to do a bag check. Do you have a wristband? This is Delta's break. I'm sorry, I had to get security. Ugh, some people. It says, hi Willem, welcome to the One Size family. Makeup is one size fits all. I love that. This is a lip snatcher. Precision lip filler pencil crayon. Ooh, it's red, I like that. Ooh, Patrick, that's a good nude. And that goes on really smooth, no skipping, no like chunks. Sometimes like they go chunky. This is a primer, I love this. I have so much of this on right now. Clearly, I'm not new to this. I love this stuff. This is a pore blurring texture smoothing texture. Texture where? Where, Patrick? Love it. Translucent. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, nurse. This is great. This is translucent. I love that. I would use that. You're gonna be seeing some of that this summer. Tacky hydrating primer. Tacky. Now I'm tacky, Patrick. Not too much. Just see. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's mattifying waterproof setting spray. So if you're doing like the Houston 500, that was a party that a performer named Houston did, and it was all filmed. And my friend Dean did the hair, and I think they did a synthetic pony because they knew that there'd be lots of exertion, and that could lead to, what's the word? Perspiration. This ain't Texas. I'm not telling you what the 500 was for, but it wasn't horsepower, I'll tell you that. Oh, this is Bossy Blue, honey. I love it. I love it. You can see what it is from both ends, which is really useful. Oh, that's in there, honey. That's a, ooh. It's okay. This color is, ooh, that one's pretty. I like that Patrick Star. It's a vitamin pearl serum, honey. So you put a little bit of this, just a little bit like that. You just put a little bit of this. So good. Oh, the vitamins are taking over right now, and I think I'm feeling a vita rush. This is an essential for me. I've been using this for years now. Until Dawn mattifying water setting spray. Huh. I love that. So this color is real pretty. Real pretty. I'll use the finger with no nail. How do you get the little things off it? The little those, so you could use it. This feels dangerous. I don't know, I'll figure it out. So this is a box. Oh, it says one size. Sorry. Oh yes, a new one of these things, yes. A beauty blender. It's giving full beat. Look at Patrick before, Patrick after. Ooh, Ooh, this is the beat side. This is where she beat, honey. She beat. Wait, there's more stuff. Oh, this. Ooh, I put a lot on, but that's how that looks. Pretty good. It's full coverage. It's called Light. Okay, what is this? Ooh. Ooh, this is a pretty box. Pretty box. You can see the reflection. Whose station is it, honey? Knives, mirrors, hairspray, powder melt. It's a glass setting spray. Okay. I think that's everything. Do you want to see more shoes? You want to see more shoes? I'll show you more shoes. Now this is a shoe. Look, you can see it. You can see whole universes. Click, clack. That's the sound of a sling back. I opened up everything. I can show you some brushes. Look, there's this one. And I think I showed you everything that I wanted to show people. I showed you all my nice new things. Send hearts. Rash. Can't have anything nice. Send hearts. Okay, bye. Yes, cause ain't Texas. This ain't Texas. This ain't Texas. Oh, this ain't Texas. 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 Yes, this ain't Texas. This ain't Texas. Oh, this ain't Texas. This ain't Texas. Somebody give me the cowboy hat. This ain't Texas. No hats, even a bow. Yeah, this ain't Texas. Ain't no hold 'em. Ain't all cards down. Stick around.